Welcome back to my kitchen. So today I have a request that they want some Filipino food. I grew up in the Philippines and my dad is a wonderful cook, and he always cook so many dishes that I can even keep up with. So one of the dishes that he always make is chicken adobo. I've changed the recipe a little bit, so I probably should not call it adobo. So I should just call it chicken stew adobo, because you guys gonna say, what? That is not how you make adobo. I have kids that very picky and they don't like all that smell that you cook in the house, especially bagong and stuff. So I just changed my dad's chicken adobo a little bit and add up some stuff. When my parents is cooking something in the house, they have to cook outside because my kids and my husband doesn't like the smell, because my parents always cook with lots of vinegar and they put bagong, and that stink up the whole house. So we're ending up getting one of those pot that you plug it in and they just use it outside. And of course our neighbor probably thinking, what the hell are we cooking? That's the way it is. It smells terrible, but it tastes good. So if you want to try making these, that's wonderful. But you don't want to, that's okay too. But I'm gonna show you how I make mine, and if you decide to try it, go for it. If not, then that's okay. So let's go and make my chicken stew adobo. So that's what I'm going to call it. So we're gonna go to my stove and get started. Okay, so first is I'm gonna put a little bit of oil. We're gonna brown the chicken so it still the juice. Okay, so our chicken is all nice and lightly brown. Now I'm gonna throw my garlic, and I just want to get a flavor from the garlic. Brown it. Alright. And just release the juice out of it. I'm going to put back my chicken in there. All of it. Right. Sauce, and I'm just gonna put in there, and half a cup of vinegar. There you go. And I have 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Alright. Put oyster sauce in there. You're probably thinking, what the heck? But you make it taste really good. Okay, and I have some bay leaf. You don't forget that. And I just scatter it all over. Okay, just like that, because they also give a little bit of flavor. And I don't have peppercorn, so I use just ground black pepper. So I just sprinkle all over, just like that. Okay, there we go. And I put 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and you probably think, what the heck? But it makes that kind of sour and sweetness in the meat. And I tell you, they love to pour this sauce in the rice, especially my boys. So, go. And that's how I make my chicken stew. And wait, there's more. I have here potato. And you probably think, okay, what's a potato doing there? It actually goes good with it. So I put potato all over, and I'm going to cover this up and cook it for 35 minutes. And just like that. And I also have carrots. I just put the carrots on top, just like that. Here we go. That's my chicken stew adobo. So 35 minutes, cover it up, and it should be ready. And I will show you later what it looks like. Well guys, we just finished our dinner and they just devoured the whole thing, and they were so happy that I make a Filipino dish tonight. I hope that you're going to try this, because I know it's not authentic adobo, but this is my version of the chicken with tangy and sweet taste. This is similar to chicken adobo. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Bye.